Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Sammy. I am a stay-at-home mom of 5. I have 4 kids in school full-time and then 1 at home, all ages 14 and under. They are quite a bit of an age gap, but I am going to try and get as much done today as I can. I really have been putting off my kitchen, as you can tell. I'm going to get the stovetop done. Underneath that stovetop, I'm going to try and tackle all the dishes if I can before the kids get home from school, or at least by dinner time would be best. It'll probably take about 2 or 3 loads of dishes, not gonna lie. And then I'm just gonna go through and I'm gonna wipe everything down in the kitchen. Now, just a little disclaimer, this first half of the video right here, I highly do not recommend and do not want you using these Lysol disinfecting wipes barehanded like I am. Desiree has been teething. I have not been able to put her down at all today. So this was the only moment in the day that I was able to get the stovetop wipe down. So unfortunately, I was not able to wait for my microfiber towels that were washing and drying as I was doing this. So again, do not use Lysol disinfecting wipes barehanded. My hands now are burning and it's a very bad idea. Just make sure you have some gloves if you're going to be using those. Guys, so I'm just gonna let this all dry for a little bit. That's the best that I could get underneath the stove top. I think it came out pretty good. There's just a couple little spots that are burned in pretty good and I couldn't not get it out, but that's okay. But I got the whole thing disinfected. I'll go through with a microfiber towel and I'm gonna wash the stove covers, or the whatever you call them, the things that go in there. I'm gonna wash those in the dishwasher and then I'll put it back together here in a little bit. But I'll go back over it with microfiber towels just to get all the fibers from those wipes. you. What do you want? What do you want? Yeah, her terrible twos are starting. She's a real fussy butt. Come here, Mommy. Come here. What do you want? Well, as you can see, Desiree is not feeling well. She's got every one of her molars coming in right now. She's got all the teeth that are next to the molars coming in right now, all at the same time. So the last couple days she has been a nightmare. So as you can see, I'm having to hold her so I can finish trying to clean out the sink a little bit as much as I can to get ready for the second load of dishes once the dishwasher is done running. I found this Pledge multi-surface cleaner that I had in my kids' bathroom underneath their sink. I'm gonna give it a try in the kitchen today. I just got one of my microfiber towels and I'm just gonna spray down all my appliances in the kitchen with this Pledge. It says that you can use it on wood surfaces, mirrors, stainless steel. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I do actually like it a lot. It has a really good smell to it. This one's the citrus scent, and I definitely recommend it. Sorry guys, I thought I was recording, but I was just gonna show you I wiped down my fridge with that Pledge. Looks pretty good. I mean, it didn't take everything off, and it's still kind of wet. That's why you can see the streaks on there, but I mean, I still think it came out pretty good. It does the job for now. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. That's all I was able to get done with Miss Desiree. I hope this gave you some kind of cleaning motivation to clean alongside with me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'll see you on my next video.